Good morning, everyone. This is Ion CG Max. Welcome back to Ion CG Max. If you want to write the IOQM problems, or this IOQM model problems are uploaded in this channel. So here, this is from India only. If the product of the real roots of x plus 2 plus square root of x square plus 4x plus 3 whole to the power of 5 minus 32 into x plus 2 minus square root of x square plus 4x plus 3 whole to the power of 5 is 31. If the product is in the form of m over n, find the value of m plus n. So here, very simple problem. Here the logic is the power of 5 is given. So many members will think power of 5, how to expand like this. So first you have to make it into simplified form. So here if you observe this, they are conjugate to each other. So conjugate means in Schwarzschild, the conjugates are differ by their symbol. Okay. So here first of all, you have to take the value of what is underlined here. So what is given? X plus 2 plus root of x square plus 4x plus 3 whole to the power of 5 minus 32 into x plus 2 minus square root of x square plus 4x plus 3 whole to the power of 5 is equal to 31. Here you have to find the value of x, real values. So here, first of all, let us take y is equal to x plus 2 plus square root of x square plus 4x plus 3. So here y not equal to 0. So if y is equal to 0, what will happen? So here if y equal to 0, so x plus 2 plus root of x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. That implies square root of x square plus 4x plus 3, okay, is equal to minus x minus of x plus 2. Now if you do squaring on both sides, so here what will get? X square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 will get. So here you won't get any solution of, so which is impossible. So here you can conclude that y is not equal to 0. Y is not equal to 0. So here okay, so y is not equal to 0. So here if y is not equal to 0, okay, that is confirm here, y value cannot be 0. This is the extra part we are doing. So here you may get doubt that why it is not equal to 0. If it is 0, what will happen? Okay, not possible. So let us take 1 by y. So here I want to make it as conjugate. 1 by y means 1 by x plus 2 plus square root of x square plus 4x plus 3 into, we are rationalizing it. So rationalizing this part, x plus 2 minus square root of x square plus 4x plus 3 over x plus 2 minus square root of x square plus 4x plus 3. So the numerator will be same. So the numerator what will get is x plus 2 minus square root of x square plus 4x plus 3 over, so a plus b into a minus b, a square x square plus 4x plus 4 minus b square x square minus 4x minus 3. So here 4x get cancelled, x square get cancelled. So the denominator is 1 you are getting. So 1 by y value is x plus 2 minus square root of x square plus 4x plus 3. So here these two values are conjugate. Now if you substitute the value y to the power of 5 minus 31 over y power 5 is equal to 31 not 32 over here. Okay, is equal to 31 now. So again I am recalling here. So this is given now. So here if you make the powers of 5 the problem will be difficult. So what I am taking, the first term I am taking as y, x plus 2 plus root of x square plus 4x plus 3 as y. So here y cannot be 0. Here I explain why it is not equal to 0. Now 1 by y I am taking, 1 by y I am getting the value x plus 2 minus root of x square plus 4x plus 3. Now substituting the values here, y power 5 minus 32 by y power 5 is equal to 31. I hope you understood up to here. We are going to next one. Now here if you take LCM, y to the power of 10 minus 32 over y to the power of 5 is equal to 31. Now if you take y to the power of 10 minus 31 y to the power of 5 minus 32 equal to 0. It is a quadratic in y power 5. So here I hope you can write the factors. Y power 5 common, y power 5 minus 32, okay, minus 1 into y power 5 minus 32 equal to 0. Some members they are having doubt here. I will write the step here. Y power 10 minus 32 y power 5 plus y power 5 minus 32 equal to 0. From this we may get this values of factors. Y power 5 minus 32 into y power 5 minus 1 equal to 0. So from this you can write y power 5 is equal to 32 and y power 5 is equal to 1. That implies y is equal to 2 or 1. We will get minus 1. So here plus 1 you have to take common. So plus 1 you will get here. Here you will get minus 1. So here if you replace, if y is equal to 2, what will happen? If y is equal to minus 1, what will happen? So here x plus 2 plus root of x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 2. So keep the root this side. X square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to minus x. So squaring on both sides, you will get x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to x square. X square cancel. 4x plus 3 equal to 0. 4x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now here what will get? X plus 2 plus root of x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Now square root of x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to minus 1 minus x minus 2. So this can be written as minus x plus 3 out. Now squaring on both sides, so you'll get x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. So here x square get cancelled. So 2x is equal to 6. 2x is equal to 6 out. X is equal to 3. Now he is asking to find the product of the roots. Minus 3 by 4 into 3. So here you are getting, so here you will get minus 6 out. Minus 6 will get here, minus 3 will get here. So here you will multiply with minus 3. So here you will get 9 by 4 out. I hope you understood this question now. So thank you for watching IOQM Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching IOQM Max Olympiad.